In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show a forecast for only one axis in Tableau. Whether you're aiming to enhance your data visualization skills or you're working on a robust dashboard for your next presentation, this guide will walk you through the process clearly and effectively. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Tableau public app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, make sure to do so from Tableau's official site. Once you have the app open on your screen, the next step is to access your worksheet, which is essentially your workspace for creating data visualizations. Now let's build a foundation for our forecast. Begin by dragging the order date to the column section. But we're going to make a quick adjustment here. Change the display to represent the data on a continuous month basis. This setup not only organizes your data on a timeline, but also provides a structure conducive to visually interesting forecasts. Next, move over to the rows section where you'll drag both sales and profit. This step is important as it populates your visualization with the data points we're interested in examining over time. By having both sales and profit on the same view, we can later choose which set of data to forecast. To combine these data points into a single visual representation, click on the drop-down menu on the profit field and select Dual Axis. Essentially, what this does is overlay the profit on top of your sales data, providing a layered view that enhances comparative analysis. Now, right-click on the axis and select Synchronize Axis. This step is a crucial adjustment, aligning both axes into a common scale and ensuring your visual presentation is not misrepresentative of the data. Let's add the forecast. Navigate to the left side of the pane and click on Analytics. From there, drag the forecast option onto your view. Dragging this feature effectively instructs Tableau to calculate predictive trends based on your current data. Once you've added the forecast, you might find the legend taking up space in your visualization. Move it below the marks card for a cleaner and more organized appearance. This small adjustment can improve readability and ensure your visual display remains focused on the main analysis. Finally, to show the forecast for a single axis, click on the drop-down menu on the profit axis and head to Forecast Results. Here, simply select None. This step removes the forecast line from your profit data, effectively leaving it on your sales data, as this is the axis we're focusing on. And there we have it. Your Tableau worksheet now successfully displays a forecast for only one axis, offering a streamlined and focused analytical perspective. By following these steps, you've not only created a robust data visualization, but also honed your Tableau skills for future projects. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.